Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. Happy New Year, and I hope you all had a wonderful holidays. May all your wishes come true this year. Today I'm participating in a challenge called as Chic for Cheap Craft Challenge, and this is hosted by Christi Creates DIY, and this month's co-host is Unicorn Dust and Designs. And their channels have amazing creative content. If you haven't already been to their channels, I would recommend to visit their channels, and I'll leave the link of their channels in my description box as well as the playlist of all the participants. Please make sure to visit all of our playlist videos. So we worked hard on it, guys. So what this challenge is all about is you have to create something, a product that you're really inspired of, and which is really pricey, and try to do it your way in a cheaper form. And today I chose one of the Kirkland project, and this is actually one of the tall vase from Kirkland. It's like $56, so I don't want to pay that much, so I wanted to use that with some of the upcycled products and some of the Dollar Tree items. So their price is 56. Let's see what my price is coming up to. So the items that I'm going to use for this project are the tin containers and some of the white acrylic paint from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use baking soda to give like a texture to the paint, and some paint pen which is black color, and I need some foam brush and a bowl. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. this is the final result, you guys. I'm very excited about this project, how it turned out. And this is something that I saw in Kirkland website, and it is like cream and black cylindrical vase with native art on it. And I wanted to recreate it using 3 tin containers, and I painted white paint mixing with baking soda, and I gave like 4 to 5 coats, and after that I sanded it down to get the even smooth surface. And after that I drew with a black paint pen this design. This is a native design. I'm not sure which country's design this is, but it's so beautiful, so I thought like I should recreate this. So I recreated it with the regular items that we found inside the house. And yeah, I'm very happy how this turned out. Kirkland's price was $59.99. Mine would be like $3 to $4. Hardly anything. So yeah, I'm very happy. So I hope you also enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.